Alright, welcome back. So today I'm going to be reviewing another site that a lot of people have been disturbing me to review again. I think since I made the first one, a lot of people were happy, were kind of like got some value out of it, and they now started recommending that I review some more. Okay, so today I'm reviewing the website HGVideoMedia. HGVideoMedia. So what is it about? I want you to get the way of thinking. If you understand the way of identifying this, you may not need any other review. You may not need to watch any review to be able to detect whether this is legit or not. The first question you always want to ask is, what is the product? What is the product of the whatever platform you are into? And then, is it a product that really solves a problem? Like, how realistic is it? If it's that good, why won't everybody quit their job and buy a smartphone, buy data, and start doing it? You understand? So, but in the case where they're telling you are doing tax, what tax are you doing? What tax? Tax is as easy as clicking buttons. You yourself, you know you're not doing tax. People are just telling you are doing tax. Okay, so this is the website. First of all, first red flag is like the other one we reviewed. It doesn't have a homepage. We don't know who is behind it. We don't know what it's about. There is no description. The only thing is, these people are running seminars up and down and giving you the site, just telling you it's a site that makes money. Okay, let's start by reviewing the registration. So as you can see, this domain name HGVideoMedia.com is registered on the GoDaddy platform. If we need to get them shut down, that's who we're going to contact. So it was registered on the 30th of November 2023. Again, remember what I told you in the last video. If the company is not really here to stay, they will not register it for long. If it is a company that's really here to make millionaires, believe me, the least they will register is 5 years, but they're just registering for a year. Anybody can register for a year. This is a very cheap registration, by the way. Okay, so look at it. Everything we have: domain by proxy, city is claiming Tempe, Arizona, and all that. Okay, so you can see this is the registration. This is red flag number 1 already. Now let's move forward. Now this is the website, right? So okay, in the case of this company, they did not have any, they now had a two-factor authenticator, or yes, that verifies, two-factor verification that verifies your registration. So please don't be fooled. It doesn't mean that it's legit just because they have that. Okay, so in this case, yes, you cannot just use anyhow. You cannot just form numbers and it will go through. It will not. But don't let that deceive you that this is a legitimate site. Okay, so I've registered to my site. You see all these pop-ups, they're just features anybody can add to any website. Don't be moved. Look at all this rubbish. Wait, have you already started talking about suspension? What withdrawal functionality will be temporarily suspended. Are you seeing this? Ladies and gentlemen, please, you need to be careful. Now look at Mission Hall. Are you seeing it? Mission Hall. Please, let me just show you very quickly. Are you seeing any commonality, any similarity between this website? Are you seeing it? I'll just let you decide on your own. Are you seeing any similarity between this website, and the other website we reviewed the last time? Are you seeing any? Can you see? Are you seeing any similarity? Like, you need to open your eyes. This thing, you don't even need plenty of brains to understand it. Okay, so look at now. In this case, it's also do tax and get money. But let's look at their so-called packages, right? Let's look at their packages. Okay, so let's come through. Let's come through now. Look at their packages. So TikTok tax. You can do up to 15 in a day, but let's check out what it takes to actually get the TikTok tax. Okay, so let me see. So can you see, you need to pay $296. Now don't forget that they first of all start you up with the so-called internship. So when you do internship, it will allow you to be able to do like 6 taxes every day. I think I've already done the 6 for my first 24 hours. So once it's 24 hours, they will now allow you to do. So on your own, they tell you make $2 per tax. On your own, you're going to make $2 per time 6. It will keep giving you this. If you are a greedy person, it will keep giving you this feeling that, oh, I'm making money. You know what? If I pay, and that is what they want you to do. That is what they want. This is actually their main target. You see, these paid packages, and believe me, there is somebody somewhere who will come and give them this amount of money you are seeing over here. Okay, so their goal is to impress you with this so-called first 6 free, because they're like, don't worry, we're not about your money, come and do it for free. And guess what? A few persons you may know may even have started for free, get the money, even pay for this 296 for free, even cash out. It's very possible, because there's something I always like you to know. Ponzi schemes always, in most cases, pay in the beginning. They pay because if they don't pay, who will share the word? Do you understand? So they have to first of all pay you so that they will impress you to go and tell your people, okay, we have some taxes to do, guys. So all you have to do is click on receive. Remember the same thing I mentioned in the last video? When you click, it will act as if it's actually being processed. This is just pure programming, ladies and gentlemen. This is pure, okay, I've done 6. This is pure programming. So you can see now I've done my tax. Now they will tell you that the tax are under pending. After they are done pending, then they will now move to reviewing. Ladies and gentlemen, there's nobody reviewing anything here. It's just some bunch of people that program stuff for greedy people. They are going to trap greedy people. And once they trap you, before now, let me tell you how it happens, right? Look at it. So it's now processing. Maybe after it takes a while to come to review, after review to come to completed. You understand? Leave all this rubbish. All these things were just programmed, and the goal is your money. I just showed you one. Let me show you one more time. This is their target. The target is to get you to upgrade, you know. And let me tell you what happens in most cases. After you upgrade, you will still be greedy. If your grade has really taken you very well, you will still not be satisfied. You will say, oh, what if I can make 100 a day? What if I can make 200? And it's under your last upgrade that boom, something will happen. Guess what? Even the least package that you have withdrawn, you have returned it back. Look at what they're saying on online activation. Now, some people may say, if it's not real, why is it that they're having incentive? Ladies and gentlemen, in QZ, they said people qualified for cars, they upgrade, they showed it, they said people bought shares. Now that they were going public, people had to keep logging in to buy their so-called shares, giving them back the real money to collect the fake one. People qualify for trips, but guess what? Just when it was about, is it a month to the trip, the website was not opening again, and that was the end of everything. So don't be fooled by all this rubbish you're saying. The people operating this thing are with us. They know us. They know how we think. You understand? So do not allow your greed to take over you. If you do, you will lose your money. You will lose even the money that you didn't even have. You will make these people make you look for money anywhere, because you know, once you are covered by greed, you will have all kind of expectations and imaginations. Okay. So this is all I have to review on this video, because there's not much to talk about. Let the wise be wise. If you still, please look at this spelling error. D everyone working at, can you see they didn't even have the cost to even put a space in between. Like, guys, the people doing this thing are with us. If you want to save yourself, if you want to be able to stay safe, maybe you just want to be able to watch more reviews like this, I'll advise you subscribe to this channel and stay afloat, because I'm going to be bringing reviews and content that will help you, right? That will help you to be able to stay away from things like this. And then if you're interested, I will show you the legitimate things you can do. Like I said, always look out for the product. What is the product? In this case, they will tell you that you are doing online work, you are doing tax. Which rubbish tax are you doing? In some cases, they are telling you that you are doing farm, that you buy your pig and it will be working for you. In some cases, they will say you are buying solar system and you are releasing it out. Please, all those things are rubbish. If they cannot be proven, you need to see, okay, so I'm doing tax, Abi. I'm doing, who am I doing the tax for? Which company is paying this money? These are the questions you should ask, and then you'll be able to know. Please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.